sound is good. If the sound is good. Now, let me get some of the greetings before I go. And Thomas says it's clear now. Gaston says it's good. Okay. Um, Wisdom says respect that traditional dress and remove that face cap. Oh, seriously? I'm not intending to hurt anyone. Oh, I beg. Oh, make when I no crucify me. Vivian says, hello, Princess Vivian. You're always there. Thank you so much. She says it's good. Now, I want to see beside everyone who is commenting, I want to see beside you, I want to see Share. Please let it be beside you as though you've shared. Please click on the share button. Click on the share button. Now, admins, take note of those who are not sharing and are out there just to create confusion in the comment section. Please, you're free to block them. We said we are not going to tolerate that again on this particular show. We don't want to encourage negativity. We want to encourage focus, unity, right? And one of the most discussed topics in the last weeks has been collaboration. So perhaps we should start by collaborating in the comment section. Now, nevertheless, fellow Amazonians, let me get some of your greetings. Um, Jacob says the sound is good. Wisdom is laughing at me. I know, yes. I'm not going to remove my face cap. I know you want me to remove this face cap. I will not. That's my wonderful friend. Greetings to you, sir. I can see Really, blocking the Republic is the style, my brother. You're right. That's true. We must eradicate those distractors and detractors. I also want to say thank you to Mr. Zam. He says, right on, all good. I see Davy White says, sounds perfect, German steel. Absolute. You're welcome, beloved people of the beloved nation, Amazonia. I Now, by the way, I also want to use this opportunity to send patriotic greetings to my fathers and mothers at Ground Zero, to our brave warriors, our ladies and gentlemen fighting to defend homeland. I'm sending you patriotic and revolutionary greetings, victorious greetings from Mr. Nacho. I see Lady Titi. Thank you. She says no collaboration with enablers. Absolutely, you're right. I see Full says sound is better. Okay, I think we've overcome that stage of the sound, and these headsets are new, and I can't just understand. I mean, this is the third set of headsets I'm buying within the space of 6 months, and they are all expensive headsets. So I don't know. I need to check it out. Let it not be somebody's tricking me out with some Chinese stores. Amazon, I will have to send them back to Amazon definitely. I can see our one and only Queen Lady Kemi Ashley joining. She says hi. I see help us, we need to talk today. Please, we need to talk. It's very urgent. I see Lady Free, the beautiful Lady Free. She just joins and she's sending me lovely hearts and greetings. Now, fellow Amazonians, fans and friends of Mr. Nightshop, the great people of the beloved nation, Ambazonia. For those of you recording, you can start now. I want to welcome you to today's edition of Amber Voice. And of course, I want to, oh, I must take these greetings from Dubai. Hello, my wonderful friends and brothers and sisters from Dubai. I'm sending to you patriotic greetings. I'm sending to you patriotic greetings. Thank you so much. I know it's late your time and you're up. It's almost over 12 o'clock your time. You're still up to watch me. Thank you so much, wonderful patriots of the beloved um, nation. I also want to thank you, Mr. Fawn. I love you too, my beloved comrade. Thank you for all your support. I want to thank all these beautiful mothers and fathers who are calling me, those of you contacting me even on private. And I thank you for your concern. I thank you for your prayers. I thank you for your advices. I thank you for, and this fits into what I'll be talking about today. I want to address a short topic. I want to address a key topic. I want to address something very important to us. And I really want everyone to get this message. Now, there are three things I shall be breaking down to our understanding, and I believe all of us can relate to it. Now, the topic of today says overcoming the core evil in the Amazonian liberation fight. I repeat, overcoming the core evil, the core, the heart in the nucleus. No, the core evil in the Amazonian liberation fight. First of all, we cannot deny the fact that there are a lot of things that have been happening that are going wrong, but yet they have their costs. And these causes, these root causes, can be dealt with. And I want us to focus on some key things. Yesterday, I started addressing the issues of the counties, the LGAs, and at the national level, we talked about the problem of power. When somebody has lost his or her legitimacy or the position of leadership, they want to make sure they fight whosoever is in that position of leadership so as to discredit them, to make their efforts for victory or success null and void because they are jealous. No, this is the Adamic nature we have in us, the Adamic nature, the inherent nature from the Adamic sin, this jealousy, hatred, envy. But we can fight those things with principles, rules, and regulation because, listen, you cannot stop yourself from being jealous. It's the Adamic nature. All of, I mean, every one of you have this instinct, this push, to be jealous, to envy something. It happens. That's the Adamic nature we got from the fall of man. That's why you see a child that is born, a young son is 1 or 2, and he's behaving a kind of way, and you're like, where did he get this thing from? Where did he know how to be jealous? Nobody taught him how to be jealous. Nobody taught him how to be angry. Who taught a child how to cry? Think about it. A newborn baby that is coming from the mother's womb starts with crying. Who taught this child how to cry? There are things we have in our inherent human nature that always pops up now and then. That's why, think about it. You have in the European society, there are places where you have automats, machines working. They can. It's not like they cannot trust humans. Like you want to buy tickets, right? Look at societies where they have trains and you have to buy tickets with humans. What do? A lot of mafia. So because of this Adamic nature, even the white man has discovered no, you cannot trust man. I mean, even no matter how much you trust man, some certain things you must make machine, make robot better be for that place. That's why you have ticket automats and the rest. Better make machine be for that place. You see. But this is out of the wisdom of God talking from the experiences we've had in our daily dealings. That's why I shall be addressing some of those things on this show. And we're talking about the core evil in the revolution. I want to be very brief. I intend to keep this show under an hour, except the calls will be many. Then we can proceed an hour. For the sake of those who watching me at Ground Zero. Now, overcoming the evil in the Amazonian liberation fight. Now, first of all, I want us to identify the certain sets of people we have in this revolution, in this liberation fight. The first set of people we have, or category of people, are those I personally call the silent majority. I repeat, the silent majority. And this is so powerful because I want us to understand what I mean by this. The first category of people in the Amazonian liberation fight are the silent majority. These are those who understand the dynamics, right? They perceive and they understand. They understand the dynamics of the game. They know what is happening. As a matter of fact, their heart is for the freedom of Amazonia. These are the people I call the elderly, the fathers and the mothers, the elderly ones, those old people. They know the truth. They understand. Listen, when they look at what is happening, for instance, when they see the game Ayok Julius Tabe is trying to play with power and position, when they see the game Eric Tato, Epom, and all these people, they are trying to play, Ayaba is trying to play, they understand the dynamics. They know what is happening. They know what is wrong. They see the truth. They understand the reality. They know the problem, but they don't have the voice to talk. They don't want to talk. They are there. They are looking at the revolution. They are quiet. In their heart, there is a lot of pain. In their heart, there is that strong desire for freedom. There is that desire, that quest, that hunger for freedom, that hunger for breakthrough. But again, they are the silent majority. They are silent. They are just there. They are there. They are seeing all the occurrences. They see everything that is happening, but they are just silent. They just look the core evil in the Amazonian fight of freedom, or in the Amazonian liberation fight of freedom. When things go wrong, these elderly ones, they feel the pain, they feel the hurt, they understand the dynamics, and they know that this is jeopardizing the fate of our revolution. It is jeopardizing the cause of our freedom fight. It is jeopardizing the future, the outcome. It is producing a delayance mechanism, but yet they are the silent majority. Many of you watching me right now, you belong to that class of people. You are the silent majority. You are quiet. You see what is happening. You see the errors. You know that what these people are saying and they are doing is bad, is evil, is wrong. But yet you are silent about it. You are quiet. And you are in majority. You are the majority in number. The core evil in the Amazonian liberation fight. Listen, being silent in the face of evil is accepting it. I repeat, being silent in the face of evil is accepting it. These are the elderly ones that, if you talk to them, you will hear their wisdom. They understand the dynamics. They know what is happening. They know that what Ayok is doing is absolutely wrong, is treason, is evil, but yet they are silent over it. They are the ones that they know that what these young activists are doing on social media and the way they are portraying us as a nation to the international community is wrong, is evil, and is bad. But yet, they are silent. They know that the actions of these few will jeopardize the outcome and delay the fate or the result of our revolution, of our fight. Yet, they are silent. They maintain their silence. I don't want to go into the reasons why they are maintaining their silence, but let me say, let's say fear, lack of boldness, lack of resolveness, perhaps because of insecurity, or on the other hand, because of their experience they've had with life and in life. Some of the negative experiences that, no, these are the people who grew in La Republique. They've suffered the core pain, impunity, brutality of La Republique. They've been tamed to believe and live a lifestyle. That's why these are the people who've gone through the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s. They experienced the first-hand brutality of La Republique. So they were trained not to speak, even when their rights are being trampled on. That's why they could endure the stupidity of La Republique for all these years. The silent majority. They are quiet even in the face of evil. They are quiet. They are silent. They lack the boldness to condemn that which is wrong, even though deep in them they know it is wrong. These are the people who grew in the system of La Republique. They have faced the first-hand brutality of La Republique. Some of us did not have that opportunity to go there to a certain degree to experience those first. I mean, just imagine you lived your first 30 years of living in La Republique. You spent your first 30 years of living in La Republique to Cameroon. You should have, you should be having enough experience to know that these guys are evil. There is no way and no means we can live together with them. It's absolutely impossible. Seeing what is happening right now in our liberation fight, you should be at the position to say, hey guys, we know what we are fighting for. Because at least we know where we are coming from, but yet they are silent. The silent majority. I'm talking about the three categories or the three classes of people in Amazonia. And I want to address the core evil in the revolution or in this liberation fight. The core evil. The first category of people, I repeat, are the silent majority. I talked about these are the elites. I call them the elites. You know, the elderly, the fathers and the mothers. Those people who have experienced the pain the brutality of La République. They've experienced the crookedness of La République. Those who have experienced their fathers and mothers, brothers and sisters being killed, tortured, they themselves are witnesses to La République's brutality. They've experienced it, the silent majority. And when they look at the things that are happening right now in the revolution, in our freedom fight, they are disgruntled, they are bitter, they hate it, they are angered, they are angry, but yet they cannot do anything against it. Oh, I will need to put my I'll need to switch on my charger. Please give me a second. Let me put on this thing in charge. And let me put this on the screen. I see I made a mistake. I never the machine is not on charge. Give me a second,
What have we done? What have we done? What have we done? What have we done? Mama. All the seas we are black. All the seas we are black. Our only sin is we are black. Our only sin, Mama. Our only sin.
Okay, again, I'm sorry about that. I had to get my charger. I had to go in search for my for the charger of the machine I'm using, so that we are not switched off. No, nevertheless, I want to come back to the topic I was talking about. The silent majority. As I said, the first class of people are the elites, the fathers and the mothers, those who have experienced the first-hand um, brutality of La République, those who have experienced the hardship, they've tasted the pain, they know why we are fighting, they understand the reasons for the fight, they support the fight. Above all, I want to make mention of this. They are supporting this fight. Now, I said they are the elites, they are the fathers and the mothers. They don't have that energy. Most of them don't have the energy to fight. They don't have the power to fight. If you give them the weapons, they cannot carry it, but they support the fight. You remember the old granny we saw on the 1st of October, who was moving around with the fighters. She was being protected. Or talk about the granny we saw with the peace plan, marching and saying, "Una fight, una fight, una fight, my pikin dem, una fight." These are those ones who sit there and they are monitoring this fight from another level. They know the reason we are fighting. They understand the fight. They understand the dynamics, and they feel the pain when they see things going wrong, or when they see things go wrong. They are angry. They are bitter. They know that what Ayok is doing is wrong. They know that what Eric Tato is doing is wrong. They are angry over that, but yet they are the silent majority. I know where I'm going with this presentation of today. Now, the problem with this class of people is that they've chosen to be silent. They have chosen to maintain their silence even when things go wrong. It is true They don't have the energy and the power to fight. It is true. They don't have the force to fight, but their force is in their wisdom and in their sound judgment. And because they have ignored that particular ability in them and chosen to be silent, they are ineffective to the cause. They become just watchers, they viewers, spectators, feeling in them that they have no ability to change things, which is wrong. That is a core evil in the revolution. Think about it, fellow Amazonians. If this class of people, this set of people, if they will decide to condemn the evils in the revolution, the wrongs, think about it. Ayuk created a parallel government, and all the things that Ayuk have been doing that is wrong. If this class of people had come up to make their voices heard by condemning these things openly and publicly, at least the confusion in the face of the international community will not be of this magnitude. Secondly, think about it. A few days ago, I gave you a video on the screen where we saw some Amazonians saying that if Amazonians are going to get the freedom through Dr. Sako, they are going to fight and make sure that we don't have any freedom. That is the core evil. This is evil. This is wrong. Now, everyone who sees that knows it is wrong. Look at what Eric Tato is doing. He took sacred documents from my Chitubuya and put outside. I was speaking with one elderly lady, and she said that my pikin they teach me say, even if your brother kill person, no, now you go report your brother, you go protect your brother. You know what that means? It means these elderly people, they know the right things that are to be done, mostly because they understand the enemy. They know the devil we are fighting. They know the enemy. They know how fierce La République is. They know how crooked Pobia and La République is, or they are. So they understand all these things. They know what is right, but they feel like they are not in control. They are not the one in charge. They have no influence. They feel like they don't get power to change anything. So make them just shut down and watch the silent majority. But what they are doing is wrong, and that's why I address it as the core evil in this revolution. Listen, this presentation of today is to enable us to be able to overcome the core evil in this revolution. Fathers and mothers, ladies and gentlemen, fellow patriots, we are all bound together by a common destiny. This is a common fight, and we expect a common victory. You never went to any school to learn how to do a liberation fight, neither did I. But we are all caught up at this juncture, and we must invest whatsoever we have to get the desired result. Brothers and sisters, Papa and Mamide, for you to stay calm and quiet at the face of evil means you are accepting it and you are empowering that evil. How can we at this particular time in our liberation fight be knocking at the doors of diplomats? You know, diplomacy is slow. And let me say this. Many of these people, they have great expectations. One of their expectations is that they want to see a radical move. They want to see action. Now, one of the expectations from perhaps our president, His Excellency Dr. Samuel Sako Ikomi, is they are the silent majority that understand the dynamics, but they are thinking, may Sako do something. They want to see a move. They want to see a dynamic move from Dr. Sako. It is a legitimate desire. They want to see a dynamic diplomatic move from Dr. Sako. So their expectations are, Omo will see Dr. Sako may do something, may do some great diplomatic move, may something happen. What they fail to understand is diplomacy is slow but sure. On the other hand, because Dr. Sako is the father of self-defense in this Amazonian liberation fight, they want to see Dr. Sako and his government carry out a strategic move at ground zero or action, but yet they are not willing to support financially. Now, think about it. These are the people that, when Dr. Sako brings up the idea of Amber Wardra, they thought, wow, it is a wonderful idea because they understand the dynamics. They say this is a wonderful idea. This is something good. This is encouraging. This is what we want. War. War. And they saw them how La Republic is panicking and the international community is gaining interest in the whole thing. They are scared. Their spirits are being stirred like that of the prophet. So they are happy, but yet they are silent. In their hearts, they want to see an action before they donate. They want to see a move before they donate. They are failing to understand that the action and the move can only be materialized or achieved by what they bring in, by their resources. So you might be in that class of people. You are expecting to see a move. You are expecting to see a strong retaliation. You are expecting to see a strong, you know, action in Ground Zero against La République. But how can that be possible without your resourceful contribution? You are not giving the boys what they want. You say, oh, you'll give money, you'll contribute only when you see action for Ground Zero. But the action is expecting your resourceful contribution. So you are not contributing, you are not pushing the cause, you are not helping it, and yet you want to see action. It is impossible. The silent majority, they are quiet. When they see the wrongs, for instance, let me talk about diplomacy. Think about it. Dr. Sako has been fighting with the interim government, together with the interim government, to do great diplomatic moves for us. For instance, look at what happened last year. He went to Brazil. That was a diplomatic move. We had international recognition. Dr. Sako and the interim government initiated the Swiss-led process, at least the first of its kind. Who are those fighting against it? Fellow Amazonians. Ayok Tabe, Eric Tato, Ayaba. They are the ones fighting this diplomatic move by Dr. Sako. Let's assume if they were leaders, why would they not go and do their own diplomatic moves that will bring us desired result or results? Let me put it in plural. Let them do something. Let them go to the United Nations. Let them do something. You remember a few years back when Dr. Sako was to address the United Nations by proxy to present the case of Amazonia, Capo Daniel went and called and exposed it, and we lost that chance. I expected the fathers of the revolution, those of you, the fathers, the mothers, those of you who understand the dynamics, you know our plight, you know our history. I expected these people to come out and publicly condemn those kind of actions. They never did. So Capo Daniel, in his stupidity and arrogance, he felt comfortable. Those of you, the fathers and the mothers, you are still the ones going to watch him. You are liking his nonsense. You are promoting him. But you know that what he is doing is wrong. But some of you, you sit every day, you watch Eric Tato, you know that what he's saying and doing is wrong. But you give him the view. So he thinks he has the view. He has your support. The silent majority. I have not seen the silent majority or the elite class of this revolution come out, the fathers and the mothers, to make their voices heard as people of wisdom and knowledge, as people of goodwill, and those who want a desired future, namely a free Amazonia. In their heart, they have the desire for the free Amazonia, but they lack the expression of it through their words and their actions. The silent majority. You are failing us, fathers and mothers. You are disgracing us. I'm coming to the second category of people, but let me touch the fathers and the mothers and this class of people because I want to make them understand the things they are doing that is wrong. These are the people who ought to go out there and make their voices heard. They should not go to the streets. In your Jangi houses, in your meeting houses, now you have the nations, like those of you in the diaspora, you in America, you in England, you in Germany, those of you guys can come up with communiques and condemn this act. For instance, Capo Daniel went when you knew that this was a breakthrough for Amazonia. Dr. Sako was to address the international, I think that was the UN, and Capo Daniel went and called and spoiled that chance. Do you know how many years it might take us to get that kind of a chance again, that possibility again? So the silent majority, the elderly, you guys should have come up with a communique to condemn that. Imagine there was a communique from Germany, from England, All this, una papa, the mommy, the una meeting houses, una write, communicate, condemn those things publicly. Imagine all the counties, the LGAs, came out with communicate to condemn that. When Ayo created a parallel government, imagine all the counties, LGAs, came out with a communique, all the meeting house, because we all represent Ambazonia. If they came out with a communique to publicly condemn that, Ayok would be ashamed. But they knew that this is wrong. They know that this is wrong, but they are silent. They are doing. They say that's way do and a nonsense. We don't like an abatic, but they are silent. They will say that to you privately, but they are not bold enough to say it in the public. How do you wish to overcome such a public evil just by private silence? It does not go. It does not work that way. What you confront, you overcome. They will say, no, let's just ignore. The most ignorant people I've heard in this revolution are the ones who say, "Mo, just ignore that thing, it will die by itself." No, cowards will, at that particular level, we want to ignore. But what you confront, you overcome. We must overcome this evil. That's why I title this Overcoming the Core Evil in the Ambazonia Liberation Fight. The core evil. When the silent majority with the knowledge and wisdom are silent over that which is wrong, they empower it. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Amazonians, this papa and mommy, the mother will just quiet. They don't talk. They left and made the bad things that they happen. Now, some of them will say, we want me Dr. Sako take diplomatic moves. Think about it. Why is it that whenever our president and the interim government when they are about to do something great for the people of Amazonia, it is our fellow Amazonian brothers and sisters who go and fight them. Think about the Swiss talks. Eric Tato and Ayok Tabe, they have made it their daily assignment to fight the Swiss talks without giving it any chance. At least it would have been better for us to give it a chance. Make them fail before we judge them. You know, the judge person kill you when you never give it a chance. They refuse to be part of it. They condemn them. They frame all kind of fake stories. Now, more talk something. I hear someone can talk something, say the place on Ojo where they say Ellie Smith, wait. Listen, inside this Ambazonia revolution, we cannot deny the fact that we've had people who were once for us. For instance, Failure Congo. Failure Congo was once with us and for us. So if you be a part of we put you inside our group, or he be an admin for a group, or whatsoever, which be bad by that. But if he change, you the only disqualified person that once you see the evil in him. But the time we deal with you, you don't know what today say hard. You know if you just treat it wrongly. So for all these people, the way they don't be part of us, Failure Congo, my trip to Boya, give money may hell for buy weight on them. Because if they show the interest, say it be among we, but he chop the money. And now from that, we know say this man are evil. We gave him the chance at least, just like Ayok Tabe. We gave Ayok Tabe the chance to lead. But look what he do. It take one leadership, go put in prison. So take today, he not get the bonus for tell we wait to if do for Naira where they go catch them because it is shame, guilty conscience. In a way, they not get the bonus for talking publicly. At least now we know see that evil. Before then, we not feel judge it because we not be know it. So we would give everybody the benefit of doubt and the chance to lead until they fail we before we know who they be. So you know if you talk say, we will condemn person killing. We will never judge it. You know, be so for no lawful country. You know this so. The silent majority, they be quiet. They see all this evil. They know say these things and be wrong, but they need to do nothing. Now, think about if the thing the way I ever go kill a picking if the key generous, if Papa and Mama them, all the counties, LGHS, and they write a public communique to condemn that action. No, but they know say what you are about to do a bad thing. They be quiet. Imagine say inside a county, like what the happen between Libya inside Libya and Field Marshal and Ayeki. If all the elites and the elders and the wake up, they condemn the action of Ayeki, where Ayeki be they make videos and they fight Field Marshal. If all them be condemn am publicly, maybe privately, Ayeki for even learn, say all man they talk against me, but I think they for give you a chance for change. So for this revolution, when would they be silent? When we see the wrong evil, will be quiet. Would they do wrong? Would they support them? See all the true Eric that they do. I dey expect them elders of Manu for come out publicly. See all the way Ayok Tabe dey do for the elders of Manu for come out publicly. See to where Ebeni Christian, Ebeni do for the elders of Manu for come out publicly. These are our wonderful, intelligent elders of Manu. They know. So what you the picking and they do not back it, but they be quiet about it. They be silent about it. Just like when Dr. Sakuwan take a diplomatic move, we see say Dr. Sakuwan go talk with the Senate. We see people where they call themselves the ambassadors. They go do it. They go the course, they go chakara, may they spoil them. Ask yourself the question. If they go spoil them, now who they suffer now? We ambassadors. If Dr. Sako take that diplomatic move and emerge, some person said, no, Dr. Sako no be our president. Okay, no be our president. Now who be our president? Sisiko. Support Sisiko. May it do it where we take we go for where. No go fight the one way Dr. Sakuri do. And the fact say the silent majority when are the elites, the papa them and the mommy them, these big people them all now that watch me, who not big people, who not doctor titles them, who not know so which way the people they do not bad thing, but when they should don't quiet. Now when I be the evil for the revolution. When they support the evil for the revolution. The facts when they be quiet over those things, it encourages speaking everyone. Think about it. That thing where the people woman and do. If all county chairs them, all LGAs, they write a public communique condemning that thing. Ayok Tabe go wake up say it want go negotiate with La Republic. How person go be for prison in the camp of La Republic? It want go negotiate with La Republic. Imagine say all the counties, Manu elders they right, and Fako elders they right, all the 13 counties the elders the papa and mommy the way they love the revolution, the one that were diaspora. All the counties and the LGAs, if all of them come out to communicate, they condemn Ayok Tabe on that. It kill everything. It kill everything. No matter how much Eric Tato can run him up, for the international community, they know that the people have spoken. But the silent majority, they know that this is wrong, but they be quiet. And when I know say the quiet one of the maintenance, it is spoil our general fight. It is spoil our general fight. Papa Amamide, the silent majority. I get a lot of it talk for criticize the action of the silent majority, but I want to turn on the other side. I point out something. The active youth are the second class of people. The active youth. The active youth, not the one where they feel manipulate social media. Not the one where they fight. The fighters they for Gonzalo. The soldiers, the warriors, the boys and girls. The ones who are active. They can fight. They are the ones carrying the AKs. They are the ones fighting to defend homeland. They are the ones fighting, actively fighting. That's the active youth. Like most of you commenting now on social media, I talk about the social media army or the social media beast, the active majority. They come for social media. They depart themselves in different groups. No one say, oh, I like the person, I like the activist, I like the activist. So they don't care. Even if the activists they do something wrong, where they know inside their heart. So the two the person they talk a bad thing, the two the person they do a bad thing, but because they say, oh, they like Nahi, they just support it. Ask yourself a question. The thing when the person they do and they talk, how it go help we for go for Goya? How it go help the revolution? If you don't get a positive answer towards that, then you get to put a lot of question sign on those actions. And if you support those actions, imagine say, now, for instance, Dr. Sako don't talk say he want to meet up with Senator for Maryland. Now back then, more assume say you don't like Dr. Sako, but that particular action you want to meet up with the Senator. And he make a public call, make all Ambazonians where they bid for independence, make they come. Why you not go attend the meeting quietly? You listen. You hear what you want to talk. You make your own sound judgment from the discussion. If you visit the discussion, they go bad, or if Dr. Sako talk something bad, you can't better, you can't condemn her publicly. But for talk say no, I don't like Dr. Sako. Why you want to go talk about Amazonia? Then you go join the negative people where they fight Dr. Sako. We want to go talk about Amazonia. Whereas you know say any positive diplomatic move where they create with international recognition, a plus to this revolution. See, I don't care if na Ayaba. I don't like Ayaba ways there. And I get a lot of questions asked up on Ayaba way. Me personally, for believe say Ayaba the work under the influence of the Republic. But if Ayaba fit convince me with positive actions, the way they take, why they say it is hot La Republic, you know the key are fighters, you know the key are picking them. But if they fight against La Republic, if they take diplomatic moves, I didn't talk about propaganda. I mean tangible diplomatic move. If I see Ayaba, you don't want to go talk with some government publicly about our cause, I go support them. And when I even talk for Ambazonia and independence, I will support them. Even if I don't like it, even if I not say it don't do bad thing, I will support them. In the same say, now a plus for me and for us Ambazonians. But if you find yourself at that point where you'll be willing for destroy good thing just because of selfish ego, how better you be from La Republique? If you find yourself, look at Field Marshal, our general, he fight La Republique, he kill La Republique. You see Eric Tato, Tapan Ivo, Mark Berata, the cash run the same way they go kill Field Marshal. They instigate Ayeke for go kill Field Marshal. What did that one they tell you? These are evil people. Now, actually, that way, every county, every LGA, all una the papa and them, when I begin to come out with the communicate, when I publicly condemn them. Ayok Tabego open a parallel government for the day where United Nations hear our case. All the papa and mommy them, the counties, will not be careful come up with a public communique. Henceforth, my proposal will be said for this revolution. When we see publicly where something be done in a wrong way, with a wrong motive, if my activists do una condemn them. Imagine say SCBC, they claim say the day for Amazonia, they go hack ABC, they take private data, they put it for outside, they give the order, they give everything to make us sabotage the interim government where they fight for we. And some people then they happy. They say, oh, we don't get leak audios there. And you are happy over evil. Today they do it for this person. Tomorrow will be their day. But you fail for understand, say, now people that claim say that the Amazonia, that they do this thing against another Amazonian. Say, what is the purpose? What is the motive? Sabotage, hatred. And then you the supporter. You be quiet about it. You the cheer about the silent majority. The active youth therefore stand up. Because now people will be easily carried away. You know, one thing about youthful people, they say they will be zealous and emotional. They lack wisdom. They know a lot, but they lack wisdom. So that they talk plenty, they run their mouth, they be excited over a lot of things there, but they lack the wisdom for accurate judgment and the active youth. Now, what if you see for social media, now then the coach, you will see every time to don't brainwash most of them, they can't coach other people. They be brainwashed. They be carried away by petty lies. They lack the wisdom of the elderly. So it needs that hierarchy of communication from the elderly. When they see say the elderly, that they condemn those bad things, they will adjust themselves. But the elderly that they fail for condemn those bad things, it encourage the youthful generation to cheer them up. How people that will go hack ABC when you know say a bad thing? How man will go take one national secret plan B, put them for internet? Then the youth then they support them, they clap with their ignorance. You the papa and mommy, they will not come for can condemn them. When I not see that thing and a bad thing there, but when I be quiet, you know they had the revolution. You know they had the revolution. Are you Tabego wake up the talk for calling? He say he did negotiate for Amazon and Papa, you know say na bad thing. Mommy, you know say na bad thing. You county chair, you LGA chair, all una for una LGA then una know say that is not what we want. Each LGA and county began to come out with a communique, condemn that publicly. Now, La Republique, they talk about a ground zero government. They talk about a kind of way to they want to make. We know all these things. We know no na 201. Ambazonians, fellow Ambazonians, the elite, Papa and Amida, my county chairs and the LGA chairs, when I come out publicly, I want to make our voices heard. When I come out with public communiques and condemn those things where they be wrong. We'll see the county, they will not condemn them. We'll see the will say, oh, if you see a county where they condemn something will be wrong, we know see that county be corrupt. or be infiltrated or compromised by La République. When we start publicly condemn the wrong things, it will make the youth and the active youth, they make them learn. Because they be carried away by emotions and zeal. When they see say papa and mommy, they don't condemn that bad thing, they will shame, they'll say, hey, do what papa and mommy them. They don't condemn that thing. It means they will not relate with them. Hence, it will bring insanity. How man will come to social media for do a liberation fight? If the coach woman their last, if the coach mommy their last, if the coach people their last, talk, they teaching them. You will be woman, you be mommy, you shouldn't quiet. You will be papa, you know how important when mommy and woman be, you shouldn't quiet. And the youthful picking them out of their zeal without knowledge, they go out there and they support those things. But you be quiet. You just say, we'll not say that thing in a bad thing. You not say a bad thing, you know the condemn. I might tell you something. My grandmammy, that great, wonderful woman, may his soul rest in peace. He be teach me a very good lesson that this will. You know, I grew in a very good family. Family where almost all man are teacher. My uncle, my auntie, all man be then a teacher. Even my mommy, even my grandmammy. So in that atmosphere, I grew with a lot of discipline. So one good lesson that my grandmammy be tell me so one day, I never ever forget that today. He tell me some story. You know, my grandmammy overlike me, but he show me from my phone. You know, like that, you know. I can mommy the way they know want me their picking party, the big part of their picking them. But he talking for back. And even he discipline me. You see, whenever I do my God, he go discipline me. He be get a lot of wisdom. I need to do something where I learn, and now I don't think I learn that wisdom from my grandma. He tell me some stories someday. Because I be do some bad thing, he beat me, he discipline me. I cry, 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 cry. He call me, give me chop, buy me my drink. Then he talk for me some talk say, I beat you now because I hate you. Then he tell me some story. He say, some pikin be there for village. Na Gamami story, you know how Gamami they sabi put their story. You know whether not true or a lie, but they put that. He said some pikin be there for village. That pikin in mommy be over like it. Anything where that pikin dey do, in mommy they cover am, they cover am. Any bad thing where that pikin dey do, in mommy they cover am, they cover am. He said so that pikin can't spoil. He gonna become a thief man. He go thief. They catch him, go put him for prison. They give everlasting life in prison. He talk one day, say, me they talk with me mommy come. He want to talk with mommy some secret thing. I say, mommy come. He tell mommy say in the ear. He want to talk with mommy. He bites in mommy ear. He cut her. He talk with mommy say, that you make my life can be destroyed. I be dey do all these bad things then. You no advise me, you no punish me. You for call me to order. You be quiet, you cover my back. Say you don't destroy my life. Fellow Amazonians, who apply this for this revolution? Una they were papa and mommy them, the elderly them, una the counties them, the LGAs them. These big people are called one the elites of the Amazonian revolution. If una they see the bad things where they happen, Ayok Tabe they do this, every Tato they do this, they begin and they do this thing. Matter or something. May we assume say inside their heart they want freedom too. But their actions where they do it be dangerous and it be against the revolution. They feel they do these things and because of ignorance. They feel they do this thing them like Hara Pekin they walk out of ignorance. If una the papa and mommy they wanna not call them to order, when I was say the result will be destructive, both for all of us. Did mommy not be lost a Pekin? The Pekin not gonna be everlasting life in prison, and the Pekin lost his own life. Simply because the mommy not be disciplined that Pekin. Now the lesson that my grandma teach me. You know, when we go school for small Pekin, when teacher beat you for bad thing, you vex that teacher why. But when you come big, you learn to that discipline, but then for your own good. We need that kind of discipline in this revolution. We see a lot of wrong things and they happen, a lot of bad things and they happen. How person go one day for prison, he want rule Amazonia. People where they also he want control them. Now he want do anytime any good thing you want to do. See how boy this revolution for our eye when now all we were life, Papa and Mommy, now your life, now my life. I you they do this thing in an area because of tribalism, they destroy them. Imagine so all the counties they come up with strong communique to condemn this openly to the international community. Make Ayok Void. Anywhere we want to talk, they make it publicly. Say, you know, get no right. When I see the trend like public declare for doing now with Ayo, when they want endorse and they say, they want go do one, I was kind of wait to you call and say, this nonsense, we know we even hope. The counties, the LGAs, everybody, the elites, when I come out, when I condemn and say, La Republic no go choose for own leaders, and now we go choose for leaders. When I condemn these things openly, it go weaken those evil people. La Republic no go stop. That's what I want to. Until we defeat La Republic completely, even when we don't support them, they don't go stop to still the attack. Even when we separate with La Republic, we don't give our own country, they go still the fight with brothers and sisters, fellow Amazonians. We get a lot of work. When I see these active youths, the one that was social media, where they be active, for comment, for talk this, for write this, they do all those things and out of emotions, anxiety, zeal. Most of the time, they lack knowledge. They never, some of them never taste, some of you will never taste the pain when I taste them. Some of you will never suffer the suffer when I suffer. So they do the thing, they don't even know what the suffering is all about. And if you look at most of them for abroad, for diaspora, young people, the way they day for play with the day, they mean they get their small work, they do this, they do fine. They don't really care, they don't know, they don't think about the pains of those back home. For them, life just been about social media, Facebook, excitement, comment, the youthful generation. But those ones where they know what is the real thing and what is at stake here. People where they know which way it be at stake here, they know in our life, this, in our future, they take this fight serious and then they condemn the wrong. So the silent majority and the active youth get to arise. And then the last class of people are the one where they do the real job and the one way, you know, when I say they do the real job, you do on both sides. Those the way that they create the confusion. They do the real job for the side of the enemy. Those where they don't go take money, they don't be sell out. And the one where they do the real job where they are happy for the revolution. They be mixed with the youth and the elderly, but they don't give up their all. They don't sacrifice their life. They be committed. And now they want to do when they face the highest pain because they don't sacrifice their life. They put their lives out there in the front, in the public. They want to do everything for our own general benefit. But yet, the first class, the errors of the other class of people, including the part of this class, where they be the corrupt ones, and they want to spoil everything, overcoming the core evil in the Ambazonian liberation. You want to see diplomatic move from Dr. Sako, which support you don't give it. You want to see diplomatic move. You want to see action for Gonzalo, which support you never draft, which support you don't give. You know they even support the draft. Person they tell you, okay, imagine. Person they tell you say that draft are fake, that draft na a sham. Don't give money for that draft. Then you the talk say no, I want to see money. I want to see how Dr. Sako that draft will work. I want to see. You know they give money. You the hear for person to say that draft na fake. And then for the other side, you don't want to see the action for the draft. How you go do work? So we talk say me they bring money for draft, more contribute. Me they do action. You know what contribute? Because some person they tell you say that draft na fake. But your expectation of to see an action through the draft. So at the end of the day, you be the problem because you be so indecisive. You want freedom in your hand, but you really do nothing. What be a sacrifice for the freedom? What are you what you sacrifice for the freedom? You just should don't. How many times within revolution, I don't see people they don't call me. Some man will call me and say, Mr. Nanchop, and when I do this, tell Dr. Sako, may the interim government do this, may this do this. You want others to do what you think is good, but you are not willing to participate. All you want to do is you want shit down for back, you give command. Tell the interim government. What is the interim government? Excuse me, Dr. Sako don't leave the work, leave woman, leave everything. Can't serve me. When they say contribute money, more even help you, or more help the revolution, you know what? But you can't give command. Tell the interim government, may they do this, may they do that. You want people that go to work with their life and their time. They say they get additional 24 hours more than you. All we have to agree on the basic facts. You and me, the family man, all will fight for better lives. For your country, you dey fight for a better life. You dey wake up for morning time, go work. The same like me. I dey wake up for morning time, go work. You want good for your family, I want good for my family. You get 24 hours a day, I get 24 hours a day. Wait to give you the audacity for kind of tell me, say, ma, I use my own part of the 24 hours to do it the way you think. If you think, say, nothing way good, and you think I say a good thing for all of we, why you not come you do it? And this is the problem in the revolution. Some people that go sit down for bank, they no want contribute money. Okay, why would they say, okay, bring money, more do that thing, you know want contribute. So person will say, no, give them money, no give them money, na fake. You know want contribute. Or would they say, okay, can we put our hands together, and what we do? Go for your country, go be effective for your country. You know want join your country. You know want do anything for the revolution, but you want a good result. You are wicked. You are worse than the devil. In fact, you are worse than La Republic. More be real. You go sit down, you know and do nothing. Contribute money, you know and contribute. Support the refugees, you know and support. You know and do nothing, but now you go sit down. Oh, interim government not fair. Interim government don't do it. What they don't do? What have you done? How are you supporting the revolution? How you support? Even when you see something in a wrong thing, you know if you condemn it, you dey support. You should say Ambazonians. Most at times, most of it our own problems. You should say if you look at this one liberation fight, the most evil thing the way that happened for the revolution, it be caused by Ambazonians. No, not even like public. Look at the killing of our generals then. Now, Ambazonians are the killer. Ayaba the kill most of our boys them. Now, today, a Fanongo attack our brothers them. Imagine just because you want to dominate. And these are the actions where Papa and Mommy, the way they understand the dynamics, they get to condemn these things. But you get some people where they still go give Ayaba money. You give money, you support that criminal act. Now, you go, should I say the interim government never do this, never do that. What you don't do, how you don't support? They tell you, say, bring even for draft for your own country, go give for your own place where you come out. Mona fight La Republic for the you deny. But La Republic, the key your village people every day, and the key your country people. And you see them, you there for diaspora. You know what support for protect that people. Then you blame the interim government. You be wicked to be real. I want to be honest with us. Instead, you show how you wicked. That means you wicked for the level where you deny for protect your own village people. You dey blame another man. Imagine how you wicked. Imagine say enemy they can't attack your house. You know go protect your mommy and your papa. You dey blame another man say you no go protect them. Why you yourself you no go protect your own mommy and papa? Charity begins at home. If you love Ambazonia, if you love your mommy and your papa, then you love your village people, you love your own country people from Mogamo, from Fako, from Boyo, from Gokitunja, from name it, Nebia land, from Meza. If you love your own people, go support them. Go join your county, draft, support all this idea where they get up. Some of them are call me. Some of them even call me, so I don't even get shame. Mr. Nacho, I want when you go, when you go talk, say me, you go do this. You don't get shame. I just listen to this one, I just laugh. So if you go she done, and I guess where if you talk, but you know go talk. Mr. Nacho, I want me you go talk, me you go do this. Seriously, you think me say I've been a person externally influenced people which are they talk? All right, which are they talk for you? Nobody know the tell me which you talk. I'm not a child. But it is showing me how pathetic some of us will be because we know what should be done. We know and do it. We know what is right. We know and do it. This is our general future. This thing concerns all of we. Listen, this thing now become a financial return. What am I doing? Who they pay me? Now, time I the investor for year for talk. I don't come out today for work. I don't work till the high you don't work for 8 hours. But I did do this as my own sacrifice for our collective victory. That the same way I believe so all who want the goodness and the goodwill of Amazonia. Papa and Mammy, maybe you be the silent majority, you know if you talk like me, but you feel support. You feel support the revolution. You feel pray for me. You feel advise me. You feel put your money into the revolution. You feel join your county. Forgive them that I say to condemn the things where they be wrong and support the things where they be good. Just join and be quiet and it help for advice for background. You know what do it. When we tell you, okay, me they bring money for Amber World Draft, we go fight like public. You know what do it. When people then do bad things for the revolution, you know what condemn them. How are you helping the revolution? How? Overcoming the core evil in the revolution. Overcoming the core evil in the revolution. You see why every Tato they do all the thing, Tapang Ivo they do all the thing. I have all you see all this evil. My tell you something. They do this thing because they get death conscience. Ayok Tabe they do this thing because one project itself because he believes say he don't read, he don't read Ambazonians and the fools. He don't say he do a pikin, small pikin, you know small pikin behave now. When he do some one thing, he look you. You know halai. If he confident, he do another thing. You know halai. He feel confident. You want to know before you want to know, he go take like a right. He go dey do bad thing. You don't see some people where the pikin do some bad thing. If mommy want to talk for you, he say, "Mommy, not leave me, not talk for me. Just holler, mommy." You know how he start? You know start that day. That pikin don't dey do bad things small, small. If mommy they tolerate am, they tolerate am. If mommy they cover her. Sunday for public, the pikin disgrace them, mommy. Ambazonians, we have to avoid that in this revolution. We get for avoid them. We get for avoid them. I will promise I want to keep the show short, and hence I will open the lines now for calls for people where they feel call for contribute on this topic before we round up. But as I tell una papa and mommy them, this is now a very key topic where we get to make sure so we handle and we care. Because for so long, I don't see intelligent people. I don't talk to papa and mommy them. They get inside of the revolution. They know what is wrong. Minute. You know, must condemn like one person. When I get on a group, all man, I believe so, all we for you belong to Amazonian groups. For instance, if you stay for Germany, we get a Southern Cameroonian community Germany. You know, if you can't talk as an activist like me, but when you're inside, if you say, but my people, look this way they happen. I want to suggest you, no, condemn this thing publicly. You feel therefore, put this way, there is a Manu County or Oyomojo LGA. You didn't say LGA. When I get meetings, if you see Eric Tato, not choosing on a pick, he do some kind of favor. Or like, which way fair you do? You just say, we will not go take this shame. We people of Man, will be white people. We're not going to take this shame. We must go out there and condemn this publicly. You see, Ayok Tabe, they do this thing. You say, we must go out there and condemn this publicly. We're not going to take shame. That one, they show a people of just people where they be, they know which way they want them. It will make even the perpetrators of this act, they could be ashamed. When they get these public rejections, Ayok Tabe go because he make negotiation with La Republic. If he get a public rejection from all the counties, even from the own people about that, for the continue that nonsense. I get a call on the line. Hello, madam. Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Nacho.
Yes, mama. I hear you. Yes, so.
Yeah, yeah. You look sweet today, but that first half spoiled that close we weather.
Ma movie face cap. Mama, you ma movie face cap. Me are sweet.
Yes. I really like this topic today. Let us tell you, I'd already finished my draft, my county draft, and my ABC draft. Mm-hmm. It is very important to make everybody pay their draft, make the draft. Yeah. Even if say pay the $1,000 draft, you say call your LGA, you tell them say, now just this amount of money we can afford. When you talk to language for tribal language, say tap tap banglun means say small when the butter they drop so tap 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 before you want no pot go don't flop. Mm-hmm. So if others that pay their blood and their sweat, why would not just pay some small money? That shoe you want to go buy them. If it talks no because of my country, at least I get some pair of shoe for house. Take that money, even if not $10, send them for your draft. I think that one will help with plenty. We see say plenty then they also discourage others when they don't pay this draft because they say, oh, my trip to Goya could disappear. There's some people then they just decide. So they just decide say they don't like the plain fruit. They like evil. And they follow Eric Tato and the other people then where each time they come for online, they only talk about my trip to Goya, no matter how much they talk about the country will take place, they will still be only insist about my trip to Goya. I lost my papa last year because of this war. My papa, a soldier, they can he run go for bush, go stay for the catch some sick way, and they go all kind of doctors then. They not fix that cough with the them. My papa passed away. So this struggle means a lot to me. I get a lot of my family then they back. And I go fight with financially till I know if fight again. Provided Dr. Sako did do it, I know he did one, and I know he did a damn good job. I will follow Dr. Sako because as I thought that Dr. Sako would take me, even I could take me address, and I go take me wait up the land of the people we promised land. And make I tell you, Mr. Nachop, and every person will listen. If anybody don't listen, they don't read the book of the movement of the people from Egypt to the promised land. When I see the hand of God, and I will tell you, anytime I call your show, I will tell you, say, and I tell Ambazonians, they say, bad things will pick up everybody. For these people, they have blood, but they don't really share them. And people, they still try for bring trouble for this struggle. You know, when this guy betrayed Jesus, Judas betrayed Jesus, it go harm. Not Jesus, it go harm. And all those people, they don't take money from that league, so that may they sell the struggle. Before you know it, one by one. I thank God for you, and I thank God for you be a child of God. Continue the good job. I really like this show today. Thank you plenty, Papa. All you caller. Hear me now.
Okay, we'll talk that one for background. Wonderful. Thank you, Mamani, for the call. And of course, as I talk, the lines will be open for me to take a few calls on this particular topic: overcoming the core evil in the Amazonian liberation fight. We'll get the next caller on the line. I would like to take it. Hello, madam. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Nancho,
Yes, sir.
very, very good job. Yeah. What I want to add on the voice is that if you look at these guys, they say one thing, and if you are vigilant, you trap them in front with what they say from their mouth. Okay. Erika said the Swiss conference was organized by La Republique Mafia with Switzerland. That's why they rejected the Swiss conference, because they saw it that it was La Republique Mafia. Okay, you are blaming the IG for conniving with Switzerland. Yeah, to accept the Swiss talk. Yeah, that is organized by La Republique. But you are condemning the refuse, but you accepted the Swiss talk in Yaoundé with the La Republique alone. So if you see, each time he talks, he does not reason, because if the game is to sabotage the idea. The simple question is, why can't they move forward and show us the right path?
If I told they have one.
Why, God, why can't they move forward? For 3 years today, tell me where ADF has had anybody, act even on the ground. Even on the ground, we have decided that if we see ADF, they fight La Republique, even in one battle, will be convinced. For 3 years, never. Look at EFAM. Today, Lebiale, fighting. Erikato has 1,500 youths. It took courage to call for protest. 10 people came. Every day, you are removing audios left and right. Each time you remove an audio, okay, you are blaming Chris Anu and Amambo and the other person. You are linking it now to Sako. So why is he putting in the pub? Is he struggling to correct the move, or is struggling to condemn or to bring down IG? That is the simple fact. Yeah. On the 1st of October, we did not see any ADF. The truth is, Ambazonians are very intelligent. All of us have loved Ayaba. Very clear. We have loved Sisoko. Very clear. Ambazonians are too intelligent. Anybody that keeps on fighting this IG is not there because of Chris Anu. That's the mistake every Tato is making. This IG is not there because of Sako. This IG is the leader of this revolution. Ambazonians are to learn. So if anybody thinks that he or she can bring down this IG, bring all the proofs, bring everything, but you will still see the day IG calls a protest, you see the whole world come up. I have one question for them. If they want to know that they're no more in control, that they are just ranting on Facebook, I am also call a protest and see how many people will come out. They will have a sense of direction. Look at Eric Tato, Sanancho. I can count on your life. Look at the profiles. People should look now. Look at Mr. Nanchop's live show. You will see almost 80% they are real people. Go to Eric Tato. You will see 1,000 fake profiles saying the same thing. The guy, he has missed the track. Even if he apologizes, he can never come back again because the destruction he has caused is too much. Let him be singing. He's singing an empty dance. Bars is watching him. The Republic is watching him. The enemies of the revolution are watching. So he thinks he's having the views of Amazon. Zero. That's why each time the IG will call the protest, there is no government without plan B. That is the first thing that I want to educate Amazonians. I want to thank God that the audios that he's bringing, Chris Anu said, no, we cannot accept because we want independence. I think that is the main target that was said in that audio. He's putting more force to the IG, so we are convinced now that the IG is for independence. Even though he was struggling to prove something that he thought he would destroy the revolution, but he made us, because that audio was a mind conscience. That means audio that even the Chris Anu did not know that it would come out. But it came out when Chris Anu said, we are for independence. Bravo to the IG, because at one moment the conspiracy was almost confused. But that audio, that even after Chris Anu has said everything that he wanted to hear, Chris Anu ended the audio. That is the most strongest part that God punished him. To say IG is for independence. Ambazonians should sit up. We have lost our. The only time 18th fourth birthday was the time of General Ibo. We cannot refuse that. But what killed Ayaba was greed. He wanted the whole ground zero to be captured by him, but Ambazonians were too smart. We cannot put the whole military base on one person. It's good now that we have county by county. Without county by county, this revolution ended. You cannot corrupt one person. You cannot corrupt the whole community. That is the force of county by county. So they like fight, they go right and left. Any type of, do you know why you audit the IG? You audit the IG because you know it's the legitimate government. That's why you cannot question them. You cannot question Ayaba. You cannot question because you know there are people that you cannot question. They're also collecting money, but every day we're on IG because it's the government. The government must have opposition. So Eddie, you are just doing the normal job to tell us that no, the government is alive. Because any government without opposition is not a government. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, comrade. Wonderful. Wonderful contribution. Let me take some of the callers calling. Let me take the next caller. Hello, madam. Hello, sir. Welcome to Amber Voice with Mr. Nanchop. Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, Papa. Now we talk.
I'm Peter.
Okay, Mr. Peter. What you want to tell me today, Papa?
Yes, I don't see your situation today. I like you're very happy.
You see I hear you see my band so close or well.
Yes, I see all things. You look so perfect. Yeah. So I like everything the viewing try to pick them out. I love the thing. You try to make people understand the youth. To know see the things the way will go wrong. At least bad them and mommy them. As you talk about say Papa they see wrong. Hello?
I hear you. Continue. We hear you.
there, yeah, there is wrong there. They show say so when Papa, I picking they do wrong. If you don't beat that picking, that means you don't like the picking. And waiting wrong there, and waiting where the elders the way they do and wait don't find. Because wait till the class to prove for Brazil. I just say they do other things because they don't know what to do with the pass through. Because they for diaspora they do area they chop they feel free they enjoy with their family. If they see way to be pass through for Brazil, I feel like they give you in the 10 seconds because they can experience what you do.
Where?
So at the back, make them be unite. Make them be unite. We beg and beg, so make them be unite.
Thank you.
Because what will the experience and we see people they die every day. Can they see cops? When comes the real, even though the minute they carry and catch people, shoot and carry people them go put them, shoot and stuff and that for outside. Maybe one, maybe two, maybe three. So at the back, make them be unite.
Okay, thank you so much, countryman. Wonderful. We don't get yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye. We'll take the next caller. Not just to take the callers as they come in. We'll hear which way the people they get about there. Hello, madam. Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello, Nancho. Good evening.
Good evening, mama. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Nancho. Good evening.
Yes, I bet come on for calling your laptop. Come on for calling your laptop. Who know the hear the sound for background? Or you reduce the volume.
Okay, I don't shift.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't shift. Come on. Yeah, I will talk for pidgin now because I want to talk about this one, man. More, you know, take you where you take first for class, you compare with where you take last for class. That man for Maryland will be head where the jump for interest with both the tower moon and not the follow yet. I think vex for that man very badly.
We hear you.
Yeah, bro, I don't shift.
Yeah, talk. I hear you for here. I hear you for phone. Listen to your phone. I hear you.
Yeah, and the talk say that man for Maryland will be head where the jump for swimming pool with the tower. Yeah.
Listen for your phone. Not to listen for laptop. I will drop your call if you continue to listen to your laptop. Talk with me for phone. Come on, for not to hear yourself for laptop.
Yes. Yeah, I don't come out. So I think that one talk say me and Bazonia them know the even I don't even show an Bazonia they follow that man causing a lot of agent. Me they just forget about that it.
Okay.
If you not my head that man, they ever follow his show and he ever. But I don't. When we become so now for you are the year and the thing you are worrying me because they lead the people astray. When they don't say they for unite, they don't go for being without together. I beg you, bro. I beg you, just see how people unite.
Okay.
That man don't follow you.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Thank you. We'll take the next caller. Now, by the way, I want to not forget the topic we talk today. The topic now, overcoming the core evil in the Amazonian revolution. Now, people want to start following me. By the way, for those who are just joining now, I want me all man click for the share button. Now, admins them. If you see anybody where you comment, where you know there as a sharer, that is not a true fan of this platform. Block you. May go even continue for the watch me, but from a particular viewer, you just watch me. Because it don't make no sense you will come for this show, you know if you share. So we know they tolerate that. I know the back now. Most person they share which way it is a bit good. You the command, but people that do it, they need to receive my signal. Now through your sharing, they can get the message. So if you see any man where you comment where you never share, just block it. You don't get the access for community game. I know one person can say, oh, they don't block me. It's your fault. You better not comment. You watch them as a comment. No, but if you are commenting, then share. We don't pass that time with the revolution. They shameful for show so that the Amazonians. You come for back, and this is the one I just have here. This is the silent evil. I mean, the people they know what is right, but they know and do it. We cannot listen. This war don't go for 4 years. We go for don't pass on certain level for the war. As I talk today, caller just stay on the line. I'll give you the access to talk. Person, you know, we see Papa and Mommy the way they see the wrong things. Picking that they do wrong things, that they be quiet. They say that you are picking doing the wrong thing. What about if we come up and condemn them publicly? Imagine say all the counties they come up for condemn those things where they be wrong. All the LGAs they come up for condemn those things where they be wrong. Time don't pass for this revolution where they pamper evil, where they protect evil, where they go with evil. I give you an analogy from my own grandma. We must be mindful, punish or discipline Pekin because we want the best. This revolution lack a lot of discipline. How person will come into say be activist, if they talk in the name of Amazonia? He can coach all women, they allow them, mommy, they allow them. And mommy, you be dealing with mommy. You will there for a house to see the woman. Excuse me. But I just give an example like Eric Tato. He married woman for house, he get Pekin. That Eric Tato, they come every day, they coach woman, they allow them, mommy, they allow them for social media. With get woman for house. If that woman gets sense, you call your master to order. Mommy them and woman from Amazonia. We not get to rise up and condemn that. Because it is disgrace we for the international community and it make a shame of we. But if we not just shut down quiet, we not know say what they do now. But imagine all the women of all the county. Each county get association of women. For each county, we get to get the women groups in each county. If we not come out, we not make communicate. We the Mani women, we the Fako women, we the Boyo women, we condemn this everything. If we not make them public, it go shame. But if we not just shut down quiet, you go be intelligent mother like you. You allow the revolution to go astray because you know one discipline. This is the teach we small people say where Pekin is Bele, it belongs for that woman. But when you don't come up for Bele, now Pekin for all man. Now what I have for quarter in those days, now nobody call you bichu when you do bad. You need to when your mommy come back. You need to when your mommy come back. You see, this revolution they go astray sometimes because of these bad things. They go hack ABC. Now social Amazonia they happy. Who do an Amazonia? Person will go sell information for the Republic. They can't tell where person not go take money for sell our brothers and sisters. Then would be glad. Would the support? Can you imagine? These are things that need to be addressed in the public. Papa and Mommy, the ball is in my court. I get a call on the line though. Hello, madam. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, sir. Welcome for Amber Boss.
Yeah, Mr. Nacho.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I only follow your program closely, so sometimes you know the fine for say we talk on one side. Everybody get the best way they support. The most important people in revolution. Don't be like we don't even care about the council, which happen with them. We don't care which happen with the people who they lost their lives every day and night. And every day when they come on social media, they want to call this one, they want to call this one. It's not about someone.
Excuse me. What do you mean by Wuna? Who will address as Wuna?
When I say okay, every part of the side they talk.
It talks away. Excuse me. More be factual. One area, excuse me, who are president for the revolution? Who is our president? Who is our president? Who is the president of the Federal Republic of Amazonia? If you answer me that question.
To me, there is no president because nobody.
Okay. If you be say you not be institutional, then I need to give you right for talk from my platform. Goodbye. So personally, not even respect the basic institution of the people. Imagine Amazonia will get an interim government with an interim president. And Amazonia, no one recognize that interim government and the president. How you want an international community recognize her? You Amazonia, you see this kind of fools there. They no one recognize what institution, but the one who will get recognition from another person. Think about it for a moment. We don't be which country they exist. It say the Amazonia. Which country they exist will not get a government? And which government they will not get a president? And when I answer them, just basically think. We don't say we don't declare our independence. We don't separate from La Republique. We'll be an independent country, Amazonia. He called us an Amazonian. Very correct. He say the Amazonia. He say we Amazonians. That means he recognize the fact that we'll be Amazonians. Okay. Why will be Amazonians? Because we'll be a separate country from La Republique. So which country do we not get a government? Each country gets the emblems like the national anthem, the government. So if we have an interim government, I would seek for national or international recognition. You get an interim government, you get an interim president. You say self, you be a rebel against that government, against that president. You request your president for public. How you want me another man respect your president? You dey deny your government for public. You can't call from a show. You dey deny for recognize you will not get government, will not get president. How you want the United Nations accept and recognize you as a nation? These are the fools in the revolution. These are the problems. I talk about the youthful people where they get zeal but not get knowledge. It will be easy for call one running more, but no sense. What I hate. Let me take Ganzero call because Ganzero could even be more intelligent. I take calls for Ganzero. Hello, madam. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening. Welcome to Amber Voice. Welcome for Amber Voice.
Yes, from Ground Zero.
I don't see him now. Why don't I take your call, especially say what you want to read with you today?
Okay, I don't want to try for talk from where to where try for talk series. If something they go wrong, me the LGHA people they be the condemn. Or talk say a good idea. We would like that. But I did talk some problem day for Bengue Center. Yes, precisely. Because since the chairman for Bengue Center, he take over, we need to still wait to wait to do on ground. Because we try for ask you all this time. Instead, it is scattered in the Nastatara. We ask what to be your own work. Or a defense man will not see what to be their work, where they work. All this time, if you listen fine, you will see it don't take a long time when Bengue let it push on. They say something exists. So I will try for talk today. So if the man say they want big passy, may give space another person good day. If you work, me we need for go quick. We need for rich boy. We not get time for waste. For the mark time for one place.
Okay, Papa.
Yes.
We don't hear.
Okay, good. So if we not pass me go rich with you, go fine. Yes, because we don't even try for call you. Say me come. We should think how we will make the place me be well organized. The man that the one for be the only claim. Say he be president, what are the chair? If the chairman, he probably not say the chairman, he probably not say the chairman. He need one for this thing for any advice anywhere.
Okay, thank you. I think say we will handle that matter for background. Time you call me again, we'll talk that matter, me and you. I thank you so much. You don't call me for Amber Voice and you don't tell me which way to worry you.
Okay, so through this number or which number?
Through this number.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, bro. Thank you. So, I get one more person with the call. I'm going to take this caller. Hello? Yes, hello, madam. Hello, sir.
Yes. I'm calling straight away from Germany.
I didn't recognize and through your number. So, what you want to tell me today for Twitter?
So, Sananjo, I don't always be a follower of you people. But we need to always say the truth to our people.
Okay.
We need to say the truth to our people.
And what is the truth?
I think I'm no longer here in Germany.
You say, wait. I know hear you. You say, wait, talk for pigeon. Where go be? Excuse me, relax, mama. Hold on. No, hold on. No over tension. Why you have the court? Relax. What you want to talk, be confident of what you want to talk. Relax and talk for pigeon. Relax. Now they give you the platform to talk. Yes. Relax. Calm down, mama. You be Ambazonia?
My pigeon you tell say I come on outside.
Okay, if you be Ambazonia, relax. You want to talk about your country and your people. No the fear. So wait to be the two for your heart. I want here. Wait till you call today for contribute.
I be begin for the fear waiting. My problem is say when I caution but always be on.
Who be wuna call person in name. My friend, excuse me. Be straightforward. Be a man. Talk like man picking. No, talk like some picking the baby. Who be this one? I'm not sure say man picking say. Una be straightforward. Say you say wuna. Who be wuna? Wuna not be man in name. Call a spade a spade. I don't talk to them for yesterday. When you want correct something, we get for talk. Not say wuna the coach. Who the coach? Okay, for instance, Dr. Sakuna, our president. If person and activist come live because your president they talk negative about you when alive, framed up stories for sabotage your government, and you don't get a bonus for condemn that, you can't say, "Oh, no, they try about-" you see the hello, madam, hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Knight. Good evening, sir.
Good
And
evening, chief.
thank you for that program. Yeah, because it be terrible. I just want to advise you for one thing. Say, no take all your high blood and emotion, then put them for this palaver before people they make you start sick. And then we go lost you. No one be absent for come over, can't talk for me. Then the second thing I say, I really enjoy your program today with it. I don't even see why normally the things where you don't talk it be enough for the day. And you dey talk to the core of the heart of the people. The one word we are getting for you that silent evil. Now that we get for no say that for the silent evil and they over plenty. They over plenty silent evil them. And then we get people then where they just be them actually really silent. And these people then they be at the majority, just like we talk. And when you look at like people they come for diaspora, where they come through asylum, they use that Southern Cameroon for come through asylum.
Mhm.
But these people they be at least above 50,000 or even to 1 million. But the participation rate it be down to about 15 to 20,000 people only. So what is happening to the rest of the people? You can see how self-centered our people are. And we can only, those of us who are working to see this thing move on, we don't need to bother so much about those who are not working. But at the same time, we have to give them the opportunity, let them make a voice wherever they want to make it. No trouble. Because we can really make it if we are serious. Then another thing now you get is the set of people then where they day for diaspora, they get money now for ground zero. They work now for ground zero. Why they come to diaspora? Where they supposed to stay in ground zero to find their work for the farm. They say they work now for ground zero. They do bad thing. They catch people them and then they share the money or go back for La Republic, go take money. Then they sit down for diaspora. What is their reason for being it? But another set of people now say we give you doki make a tile paper. Then some people just look at them like gods. They know fit change their mentality. No say now I be on my own. They still be like say they look that man like God. Like say still they give them a job. Now which kind people in this? So as they look at things, so the thing they worry me, yeah, my brother. And then
Understand?
that boy where you don't call you, now you don't call you again the second time. That same man. And this thing where would you talk for you so now just an openness so that we will express with ourselves and then stay calm and then do the thing we're supposed to do. Now
Mhm.
opportunity where you give way. Other people they fit do other things. They don't must be like you. They fit do other things like one man soldier too. Then we will see as we are able to drive to one direction. But people they like in Kongosa. What did it happen? What did it happen for where? Who said it happened? Actually, brother, thank you plenty.
Wonderful, thank you. So that one will be on the last call for today. I'm just sorry, I don't take no more calls again. I got for the round up now. 51 missed calls. I'm just sorry for the 51 missed calls. The one I get time. I need to pick all calls at the same time. Now, Papa and Mommy, them ladies and gentlemen. This one don't be an amber voice with Mr. Nacho. We don't talk about overcoming the core evil in the Amazonian liberation fight. If you miss this show, if you join late, where you miss which one I talked from the beginning, I want to advise you to go watch them again. I will round up. I don't take some few callers there. We will round up for today so that those where they come late, if you go watch it. Now, if you watch me and you never share, you never click on the share button, and I want you to click on the share button now before the round of the show because it give opportunity for other people them where the they know they get the signal when they live to come see say oh I be live. The more you share, the more you spread them out. Look at the topic we'll talk today. We don't address three classes of people. You know things a bit important. Every Amazonian get that message. The three class of people talk about the elderlies, the elites, where they know and understand the dynamic of which they happen. We talk the active population. And now we talk about those who are the implementers, the one that they implement things where it being made of, we talk of like some they call themselves frontline leaders, some they call themselves whatsoever. Those where they be really active, they do their diplomacy, even privately, we don't even know. Some of them mixed up with those sell outs, even like some activists and the rest. This is a mixed population of both the youth and the elites. But we don't address this to people, and we see, even I'm not going into detail because I don't want put something in where they be beyond the scope of this presentation. We address more that particular issue, say, and think the responsibility for the silent majority. See, some majority people that live in this revolution, they need to talk. When they watch for Facebook, like now, so we get almost 300 people that watch for Facebook. If you see now only 150 or 60 people don't share, that one they only watch. I respect, they don't even comment. They don't comment, they only watch, understand what they see, what the people talk, the reason. They didn't share, they didn't watch. Problem not there. But because of their ineffectiveness, they need one participate. They want the two, they like which one they talk, but they don't want to share her. You see, they are evil. That's the evil they are doing. They are the worst kind of people. When they see something bad, they hate them. They don't like them, but they don't condemn them. They just be quiet. And their silence, they promote that evil. Look what happened for Nigeria. Man, I'm giving a simple example. Look, these are people that the person Nnamdi Kanu. I don't listen, you follow, you kind of watch it. But he come up yesterday, he make a show. If you see the way people that take that show, they spread that. See, some of them don't get that on their phone. Now, Nigeria people they spread that. You get off your phone. Wait till it happen for Nigeria. But you did it till they happen for your own country. You don't get the boldness to share that. They are even a Nigeria friend or their group they made a get that. Can you imagine? I see today Bishop Creflo Dollar. Everybody, all these big people that they talk about SARS. Everyone, the whole world is talking about SARS. Ambazonian struggle will be for 4 years. How many people they know? Imagine the genocide where all the international community they condemn them. How many people they know? Because you don't decide to be silent, even though you know what is right. This is so, and this is the sickness with us. I mean, say, you see how we be our own problem. We'll get our cause, we'll get our fight, we'll not share, we'll not spread the news, we'll get the opportunity. You there for one man country. Mommy then there for village, they suffer, your age made them, your class made them, your country people there for bush, they suffer. They be fine man, we go ahead and talk about their suffer. You there for one man country, you should have you fine. It's a better house. You cost your food. You there you fine. For even share the plight of your people, share the self, remember why man they see them. Use Facebook, use YouTube, use Twitter. No, your own for shit. When you look at when we can't talk, we go like this. We put out those images. You go look and say, oh, that my people they suffer. Is that all? Now for make people they make the world see the pain, so that the people of the world if you come look what happened for Nigeria. The international community they talk. It never made 1 week. All man they talk for go enter for they want pull down Buhari. All man they put pressure there on the government of Nigeria. But we're under me for 4 years because we get people that will now. I'm a bit frank. You get some of you, you watch me now. You know what share? You know what support your people? When they say we support self-defense, you know what get money. When they say me the draft, you need to do nothing, but you expect the result. The silent majority, the evil one, I call them the evil ones of the revolution because they know the truth. They don't experience the pains of the Republic. They don't see the hardship. They know the suffering. Now, Papa and Mommy, they know it. They know how La Republic hate we. They know the magnitude of the suffering, but they know what help. They know what partake. When they see something they go wrong, they know what condemn them. When they see good things, they know what support them. They don't decide to be quiet. How can a man be that wicked? How person can be that wicked against his own people? The president, they expect him may do a diplomatic move, may bring me independence. Which support you give you? Like your Peking. Which support you give Dr. Sako like your brother? Which support you give Dr. Sako like your friend, like your president? But you want me at the cabinet, me to do wonders. How? Well, you need to give them the resources. You need to give them the support. It must be a money. If it be a prayer, If it be there, on small way to do, even if we share the thing the way what people they have image when they kill them, all of us must be active. Or for condemn the bad things the way others do. How Dr. Sako will go meet up Wyman them, what she done for them to talk about what problem. Ambazonian them, Eritato and the rest, they go call for spoiler. And then you be quiet. Who the loss? That Dr. Sako lost. You think so that Dr. Sako don't lost, Abi? No, now you don't lost, me and you. Dr. Sako want go talk for United Nations. Ayok Tabe will send Eritato, they may they go spoiler, may they go call, they spoil them. Then you be quiet. Papa let you get sense. You know go call that picking them to order. All the counties they begin to come up, make a public communique, condemn that bad thing. But no, the next day, they say don't forget. Nobody's talking about it. Last week, the rap thing happened last week. Then tell say if you be so will get independence, now true Dr. Sako better will not get independence, better than this point now. And that's the way they don't do them again and again. Imagine the wickedness of these people. Then you will get somebody like people that I'm sure they spoil we. They spoil we. This is our future. This is our life in our hands. I don't care who want to do anything good, but anybody who want to do anything good, we go bring me freedom, I will support her. If not Ayaba, even if not Ayok Tabe, even now, but if you want to do anything good, I will say a true good thing. You know why I condemn Ayok Tabe and the rest of them? Because I don't see the wickedness of their heart. I don't see Ayok Tabe is wicked. I tell you yesterday, Ayok Tabe that the Satan, Eritato and the rest of them, that the devils them. Because they don't show me timeless to say they want to destroy any good thing. So long as you not come up from them, they want to destroy. They be willing for destroy them. They don't talk them. They say better we not get independence. If not Ayok Tabe go be president. It be like say we will fight for Ayok Tabe. No. You see the problem. And then if all will just be quiet. Anytime Dr. Sako want to do something great, Dr. Sako can talk about the world draft, county by county, fight La Republic, Ayok Tabe and Eritato, they can't still alive. They will discourage people. They go lie against Dr. Sako. They go lie against my Chutube. They do all things possible to convince people, to lie for people against Dr. Sako. Dr. Sako never tell you to give money. He said, go for your village. Go gather boys of your village. Give them money, make them buy weapons, fight La Republic. What's a bad day? For you to go for your village. Join your picking when they fight for your village. Give them money, make them buy AK, fight La Republic. What is bad in that? Tell me what's bad for day. Some person will come tell you, no do am. That person will tell me no do am. So he love your own people more than you. Now good person. But La Republic day every day they kill a woman, them, kill a mommy, them, kill a people. That person will come and tell you fake stories, all kind of lie. He not to give you any tangible proof just because of hatred. You cannot be contramanded for that position. And then we go to support this kind of things. Would they hinder our own self? Would they hinder our own self? But I never see how people are wicked against themselves. Now the magnitude of wickedness that they say I'm doing revolution. But you know why? Because there's a lot of people that be intelligent. Like you will watch me. Mommy like you, papa like you intelligent. You get power, you get wisdom. You don't decide for being quiet. No for talk, no for condemn. So they begin, they don't just take on like a ride. They do any kind of thing. This is our life. If we fail always. If we win together. Don't let Sako fail. Don't let the IG. Even the one the way like my brother talk here, where they just say, oh, that one a team. You might just something. God forbid. And I want to tell you one thing, say this revolution no go fail. It no go fail. You understand? But if it be delayed by the actions of these people and by the irresponsibility of some of some no way people in the way that they watch, they need to want to do the right thing. I don't challenge the counties and the LGAs today, including the countries and even on a small jangias. Imagine so when I should have on a meeting house, when I vex, when I write a communique, when I send it out. I like that way that Manu they do. You see that Manu Pade, wonderful, no play Manu Papa. We see Manu Pade tie rapa, puis cap comment tu vois ça? No play rapa, they get sense. I like my Manu Pade. Manu Pade comment the disgrace Chris was a bini. They talk to him with the thief, even Juju for village. They condemn me. Now, so the thing they don't want them. Now the kind of thing they don't want them. Make the elderly people, when I not fit fight, when I not get power for fight, when I own a fit talk like how they talk. But when you see bad thing, talk, condemn them. Shouldn't you quiet? You don't play. Even God for heaven knows you don't talk the truth. If you see how young people like we, if you see me with financial, I want to go straight tomorrow. Call me, na my number, this will scream. Call me. I just say my picking action. No doctor, no ghost, no. I talk, condemn her. But if she don't quiet, when I left the picking, they go astray. He did do this. I did revelation. You know, so we would talk out there. The international community will watch me. If they see what they behave bad, you know, so they represent now. When they look me, when the international community they come, they look at the talk show, they see Ambazonians through me. I tell them the truth. If they see the way they compare myself and the way they address certain issues, they look the sanity and they look the wisdom of it. These people are serious. And they see when I respond. If I can't, they catch my media alert and know this Ambazonians are crazy. Because at this particular moment they talk, who will they talk out here will be the face of Ambazonians. They feel say that's so order, that's so on a day. So if we do bad things, then when I get for call each other, be it an activist or a anything I look at they do, it don't disgrace we. Imagine say United Nations will talk say they be willing for going independence, but because of the way Ayok they do, they fear for going independence because they fear say we can't be another South Sudan. If you imagine what way international community they talk, but imagine say all our papa them, county them, LGA them, they don't publicly write a message. They show and they ban Ayok they distance themselves from it. The whole world will know say these people they know which way they want them. The people have spoken. Anything Ayok they do, the world will look at 6 months. And actually, since they impeach him, they don't know say the man that a power monger, he don't express himself. You see, and we get to learn to condemn the wrong things unanimously and support the right things, like the underworld job and many other diplomatic things the way we're president and the interim government that they bring up on the table. We must support them. When the international community they see that kind of thing, and then they know so these people are willing, they can coordinate themselves for an independent country. But until then, we are still beating around the bush. I tell you guys the truth. They say, oh, no, so small people. I will give them voice. They can't talk. They don't want to talk. See you guys tomorrow. I've been your host of this special edition of Amber Voice. Cheers.
We shall rest from this battle and sing our God praises. We shall rest.